Sweet potatoes are delicious, and you can have them free for life. And today, we're going to talk about how. Before we begin, I want to talk to you about a very special sweet potato. Now, you can grow any sweet potato you want. The common orange one, there's purple flesh on the outside and white on the inside. But this one is special. If you cut this one, it's purple inside, very dark purple. These are Okinawa sweet potatoes. Now, they're not originally from Okinawa. They actually came from South Central America. In the 1600s, they introduced them to Okinawa. So why is this so special? Well, the purple inside is anthocyanins. It's an antioxidant that's different than any other antioxidant. It's very anti-inflammatory. And one thing you need to know about Okinawa is it's a blue zone. And what does that mean? Well, a blue zone is where people live the longest. Now, is this the reason why they're living the longest? It could be. Think about it. This is full of fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants. This is what you want to eat. The other reason I love these is because you can make purple potato chips, purple French fries, and your kids are going to love them. You can even dehydrate these into a purple powder and use these in other recipes. Imagine making a purple pumpkin pie. Say that 3 times fast. It's March 1st here in Zone 7A, and as you can see, it's very windy. And that's what March is all about. It's time to plant our sweet potato slips. And what we're going to need is a nice potting mix. As you can see, this is a nice, moist, fluffy potting mix. And the next video coming up will show you how we make it. It's a lot cheaper than buying bags from the store. The first thing you're going to need is a container, and you can use anything. It can be a plastic container like this. It can be a cardboard box, whatever you have on hand. Sweet potatoes, by the way, are not potatoes. They're part of the morning glory family. You want a nice, moist mix. You'll know it's moist when you can squeeze it and it'll hold its shape. Doesn't that look like a nice brownie? Now what we're going to do is we're going to put some potting mix in our container, and we're going to cover about half of the sweet potato. Just push them into the soil, just like that. Put some soil around them. And that's all you need. Now these sweet potatoes will start to grow what's called slips, or sprouts coming out. Once those sprouts get to be about 3 to 4 inches tall, we're going to cut them off at the bottom, and we're going to put them in water so that they start to root. And then once they're rooted, we're going to plant them directly in the ground. Once you plant your sweet potatoes, you're going to want to put them on the grow lights or in a sunny location. And here's the best part. Once you've grown sweet potatoes, you'll never have to buy them again. Just take a few of your harvested sweet potatoes, start slips from them, and replant year after year. It's a never-ending cycle of free food, straight from your garden to your table. Have you ever tried growing sweet potatoes this way? Let me know in the comments. And if you're starting more seeds this season, check out our next video where I'll show you how we make our seed starting mix for nice, healthy seedlings.